Hey there, entrepreneurs. Are you struggling to stand out in today's crowded online world? Want to know the secret to growing your business fast using digital marketing? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a personal brand that's impossible to ignore. Stick around because this could be the game changer for your need. Let's be real, your personal brand is your most valuable asset. Whether you're a business owner, coach, or freelancer, people need to connect with you before they buy from you. Here's the kicker, a strong personal brand can transform business from a struggling startup to a thriving empire. Why? Because people buy from people they trust, and trust is built through consistent and authentic branding online. But without digital marketing, you're invisible. No matter how great your product or service is, if people can't find you online, you miss on sales, clients, and opportunities. Now, if you're like most business owners, you've probably faced some of these challenges. Visibility. First, let's talk about visibility. You're posting on social media, but no one's engaging. Sounds familiar? That's because the digital world is saturated, and without the right strategies, your content gets buried. Number two, inconsistent branding. Inconsistency kills. One day you're posting about your business, the next day about your weekend, your audience is confused. Digital marketing helps you create a consistent and focused brand message. Number three, lack of credibility. Without a strong online presence, people won't trust your brand. Your website looks outdated and your social media profile don't reflect the professionalism you offer. Number four, no leads is equal to no sales. Finally, leads and conversions. If you don't have an optimized digital marketing funnel in place, you're leaving money on the table. No leads, no sales. It's that simple. All right, now that we know what's holding you back, let's dive into actionable steps you can take right now to build a strong personal brand using digital marketing. Number one thing you need to do is define your brand's identity. First, get crystal clear on who you are and what you stand for. What's your niche? What makes you different? Your brand needs a clear identity, resonates with your audience. Use this to create a logo, color scheme, and tone of voice that's consistent across all platforms. Number two, optimize your social media profiles. Make sure your social media profiles are optimized. Update your bios, use professional photos, and make your content engaging. Your social media profiles are often the first place people will interact with your brand. So make it count. Number three, content is king. Create valuable content. Content is your brand's voice. Create blog posts, videos, and social media posts that provide value to your audience. Share tips, solutions, and stories that showcase your expertise. Number four, build a website that converts. Your website is your online storefront, so it needs to convert visitors into clients. Use clear messaging, strong call to actions, and a blog establishing authority in your niche. Oh, and don't forget, make sure it's mobile friendly and optimized for SEO. Number five, leverage email marketing. Email is still one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing. Build an email list and regularly send out value packed newsletters to stay top of the mind with your audience. Use email to offer exclusive content or promotions. Number six, run targeted ads. If you want faster results, run targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Ads allow you to reach a wider audience, generate leads, and grow your brand more quickly. Now, if there's one step you can take today, it's this: get started. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to launch your digital marketing strategy. There's no such thing as perfect timing, only perfect execution. Start with one platform, create valuable content, and build momentum. Consistency is your best friend in digital marketing. And that's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing tips that can help you grow your business. Share this video with someone who needs it, because building a strong personal brand isn't just important, it's essential. Until next time, keep pushing your brand forward and be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.